Hello everyone. Today we'll be destroying the Srixon Distance. Today we're destroying Srixon. That's very unfair to me, that washing machine was. Well, the washing machine that was very unfair to me. Cut power to its motherboard for no reason. So here we go. We're gonna wire it. We'll go wire it up to $500, $1,400. Let's go back in it. Ready? You probably want both of those. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh! Srixon at 400 RPM. It's in a horrible state, drum. Oh. Ready? Whoa. Oops, missed it by inches. Now try again. Oh, you haven't just sick. Okay. Let's try again. That was crazy, though. I just completely cut the. Well, feel the throwing this wash machine. Ready? Beat. Anyway, let's get some real destruction. Machine fruits. Ready? Ready? With Srixon versus brick. He's running his big motoring. Holy crap. Try again, hey? Whoa. Try again. I'll do. Well, that is it now. This machine. Completely ripped the whole entire machine to pieces. Let me check. Yeah. That's probably it for this washing machine. Not gonna lie. Yeah. I knew it was a very rubbish. Sorry. I say that this was the worst ever. This was the best smash ever, I say. I don't think that might be the end of it. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, it's like, wow. We check, this is the aftermath now. Looks like the top panel. Anyway, looks like the aftermath. But anyway, the top panel is off. As you can see, it when it's with the Pervio motor in it. The missed 3 times, but I got it 4th time though, so. There's the top panel. There's, yep, the top panel's over there. The rest of it's still probably in good shape, to be honest. There's nothing else to, there's nothing else for me to think about except for the, washing machine turning back on. There's the motor, its own motor's probably destroyed part of the copper. You can see all the bits of copper coming out. It's probably destroying its own motor. But as I say, we'll get that up again, see what happens. I'll say that we'll get that definitely up again and fill it back up, see what happens. And this time we're gonna see if we could possibly for this machine, I guess. And but this I'm going to leave the motor inside because yeah, that was simple. That well, Srixon wash machine destruction. It's a Srixon tool wash or something. Yeah. We're gonna throw in we're gonna leave the motor inside and see what happens. Because ready? 3, 2, 1. On the verge of 3. On the Srixon washing machine destruction. In 3, 2, 1. There goes the motor. There goes its own motor. I think it might have worn. I think the motor might have worn out now. From all that struggling. Yeah, probably something in the motor has gone. Now, I would imagine so. Anyway, this is the aftermath. This is what's left of the machine. The top panel is off. As you can see, it's jumped. That was like simple washing machine destruction. That was the PCB might be alright, to be honest. Just something as the detergent joys didn't come off though, so that was great. The door is completely wrecked. The door is completely ripped apart. Yeah, that's okay, the doors. It's not too badly damaged. Front panel is definitely stayed up on right. The sides have been bashed out. Sides are bashed out. Back panel is okay. Still fine. There's no damage done to the back, so back of this machine there's no damage done to the machine. And the drain from there's no damage down there as well. It's all in, it's still in good condition, but it's just the fault with the motor. That's why I just have to pause the video there. Anyway, hey ho. It was great though, and it was just simple though, so. And also the tub is no longer functioning as well. And see you later. Bye.